Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of hydroxy acids requires identifying the longest carbon chain containing the carboxylic acid group, numbering from the carboxyl carbon, C1, and specifying the position of the hydroxyl substituent. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structure. The compound is CH3CH or ChO. The dot above CH in the image indicates a substituent, which by context and the answer choices is an OH group, making this lactic acid. Moving on to the next step. Count the carbon chain. There are 3 carbons, C1, ChO, C2, CHO, C3, CH3. The parent chain is propanoic acid, 3 carbons with terminal ChO. And for the final step, number the chain. The carboxyl carbon is C1 by IUPAC convention. The OH group is on C2. Name the compound. The OH group at position 2 on propanoic acid gives 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. Why other options fail? B. 1-hydroxypropanoic acid. C1 is the carboxyl carbon itself. OH cannot be placed there separately. C. 1-hydroxyethane carboxylic acid. This is a non-standard trivial style name and incorrect IUPAC format. D. 1-hydroxyethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid has only 2 carbons. The compound has 3 carbons, so ethanoic is wrong. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.